Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode on iPhone. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So here, in this tutorial, I'm just going to use Google, but also you can use Safari, okay? So, if you want to turn on incognito mode on iPhone using your Google, just keep on watching. So first, open your Google. And then here you want to click on tabs on the lower right side of your screen, and then click new tab. Then here you can see incognito mode, then you just want to toggle that switch on, and then just wait. Then here, as you can see, your incognito mode is now turned on. So if you don't know what incognito is, so here, turning on incognito mode. Activity won't save to your Google account. Information from your Google account won't be available. But remember that activity might still be visible to your internet service provider, to your employer or school, to websites you visit, or in your iOS app privacy report. So turning off incognito mode, incognito activity will be cleared from the app. So that is incognito mode. So if you want to turn off your incognito mode, just click on turn off, and then you will switch back to the original Google, okay, or the regular Google. And so that's it. That's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.